Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have URP and the shader graph package installed. Now begin. Create a new lit shader graph asset in your project folder and name it clearly. Open it by double-clicking to enter the graph editor. Once inside, you'll see Master Node and Blackboard. Add a color property and a texture 2D property immediately so you can test values. Connect a sample texture 2D node to base color and plug the color property into a multiply node. Make sure the graph saves before proceeding. Now implement the shader behavior step by step. Add a tiling/offset node and feed the Blackboard tiling vector too. This makes UVs adjustable on materials. Multiply your sampled texture by the color property to tint albedo, then route metallic and smoothness float properties into the PBR master inputs. If you need normal mapping, sample a normal map and use normal unpack before connecting. Once done, create keywords for feature toggles like alpha cutoff, so you can assign the new material to an object to validate the look and UV behavior. Tweak tiling, color, metallic, and smoothness from the material inspector until the result matches your intent. For optimization, lower texture size, disable unused keywords, and simplify node math. Build variants only when needed. If the shader doesn't render, first confirm the URP asset is active in graphics settings, then reopen the graph to ensure it's saved. Inspect the console for node compilation errors, and re-import the shader asset to force compilation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.